Dear children, it is a continuation of the parsing package question paper 2nd. Now let us take the 12th question. Find the mean by following frequency table by direct method. Find the mean by following frequency table by direct method. So children, let us write the given data in terms of columns. So the first column is number of plants, that is number of plants, that is in terms of class interval. So you write it is Ci. So directly you can write it as Ci. And number of house. Number of house is nothing but frequency. So you take here it is F. Then you write here 0 to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. Then the frequency, corresponding frequencies you write 0 to 2, the frequency is 1, next 2, then 1, then 5, then 6, then 2, then 3. Now you find here summation of Fi. This one you can take small letter also. Summation of Fi, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. So I got sigma summation of Fi is 20, that is n equals, this is nothing but number of data here. Next one is X, class marks. Class mark, that is nothing but X you can write. X, so you can write Xi. Then how will you get the class mark? That is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Average of the upper limit and lower limit. So 2 plus 0 divided by 2. You know that 2 plus 0 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. That you can write here. So it is how much? 1. Again 2 plus 4 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Listen it properly. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Next 10 plus 12 divided by 2. 10 plus 12 is, what is the sum of 10 and 12? You know that 10 and 12 sum is 22. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 divided by 2. 22 by 2 is 11. Then 12 plus 14 divided by 2. 12 plus 14. You know 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 is divided by 2. You will get 13. So this is important to find the class mark. How will you get the class mark? Find the sum of lower limit and upper limit and divide that sum by 2. Then in the next column, that is Fi Xi, the product of this and this. So it is 1 into 1. You can write here 1 into 1, that equals 1. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. Next 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Then 5 into 7. 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35. Then 6 into 9. 6 into 9 is 54. You must know the table. Then 2 into 11. 2 into 11 is 22. And 3 into 13. 3 into 13 is 39. So you got Fi Xi for all. This is the Fi Xi for all. Now find the sum of this Fi Xi. So that is nothing but summation of Fi Xi. So what is the sum here? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. Then 3 is to be carried here. 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So you got 162. Then you write average here. Find the mean. Mean means average. That is the direct method here. Mean equals, what is that? Summation of Fi Xi divided by summation of Fi. That is, what is summation of Fi Xi? That is 162 divided by 20. Then you know that 2 tens are 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are, you will get 81 by 10, which is equals to, here 81 by 10 means you can write that 8.1. 8.1. That is the mean of the given data by using direct method. By direct method. Now there is a OR question. In the 12th question, there is OR question. Find the mode for the following frequency table. Find the mode for the following frequency table. Here class interval is given and corresponding frequencies are given. 1 to 3, 7. 3 to 5, 8. 5 to 7, 1. 7 to 9, 2. 9 to 11, 2. So here we have to find the mode. And how will you get the mode? Mode means you know that the most repeated score. But here class interval is there. Scores are not given directly. So here we have to use the particular formula. You know that formula. The formula is mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Means here we have to find out the modal class first. How will you get the modal class? Here we have to find out the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? The maximum frequency. Here you observe the frequency. Which is the highest here? The highest frequency is 8. Therefore, you know that here 8 is the frequency of the class interval 3 to 5. So it is a modal class. Here you must find out L, H, F1, F0 and F2. So what is L here? L is the lower limit of the modal class. So you write L equals. What is that? L equals, what is the lower limit of the modal class? That is 3. You write 3. Then H, that is the size of the class. Size of the class is equals to upper limit minus lower limit. Here which is the upper limit? Upper limit is 5, lower limit is 3. So you can write 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 which is equals to 2. Then F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. This is F1. And F0 is the frequency of the class before the modal class. And F2 is the frequency of the class after the modal class. Then you write F1. F1 is what? 8. f0 is 7 and f2 is 1. Now you write the formula for the mode. What is the formula for the mode? That is mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 whole divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 that into h. Then you write the values of L, f1, f0, f2 and h. What is the value of L? L is 3. You write in the place of L, you write 3. Then you write plus and. So f1 is what? 8. 8 minus f0 is 7. You write 2f1, 2 into f1 is 8 minus f0 is 7 minus f2 is 1 into h is 2. Then you write 3 plus, write this 3 as it is, and 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 8s you write 16, and sum of this minus 7 and minus 1 is here, they are having same sign, add them and put the same sign, minus 8. If you add 7 and 1 you will get 8, but both of them are having negative sign, so it becomes minus 8 into. So we write into 2. Then that equals 3 plus 1, 16 minus 8 is 8 into 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, so you will get 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1 by 4. That is 3 plus 1 by 4. You know that is 1 by 4 is actually 0.25. So you can write 1 divided by 4. It is not divisible. Put 0 here. 4 2s are 8. 2 is remaining. Next you take 0. So you will get 2 5s are 20. That is in decimal 1.1 by 4 is 0.25. So you can write mode equals 3.25. Mode equals 3.25. Now you take the question number 13. Prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. You know that it is a theorem from the chapter circle. Children, in the video lessons of the circle chapter, this theorem is explained. The method of proving this theorem is explained in that chapter, and you go through the video lesson of that chapter, circle chapter, and learn the proof of this theorem. If it is possible, video link will be given in the description box. Now let us take question number 14. Construct less than type ogive graph for the following data. Here class interval is given, frequencies are given, and here we have to draw the ogive. What type of ogive? That is less than type ogive. You know that for the less than type ogive, we have to take the upper limit on the x-axis and corresponding cumulative frequency that you have to take here. So you take, what is there? Ci is there. So you take first one, less than upper limit. What is that upper limit? 120 is there. So you write 120. Next, less than upper limit 140. Next, less than 160. Then next less than 180. less than 180, then less than 200. 200. Here less than 180 is, that is 100 to 120, that you have to take 12. Next, less than 140 means we have to add 14 to this 12, that becomes 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14 is 26. And for less than 160, again we have to add this 8. So sum of these 3, 26 plus 8 is 34. Then for less than 180, again we have to add 6 to this 34. That is 34 plus 6 is 40. Again 40 plus 10 for less than 200. 40 plus 10 is 50. Here we have taken the upper limit and the corresponding frequencies. Now let us draw the graph, that is less than type ogive. Now take the graph. Here is a origin. Now you take the first one, 100, then 120, 140, 160, 180, and you take 200. Here this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here we have taken upper limit. On the x-axis we have taken upper limit, and on the y-axis we have taken cumulative frequency. So you write CF here, and CF you take, here 50 is maximum, so you can take, here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are there, so you can take 5 frequency equals 1 unit. So you write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It is okay. Here we have taken 0 to 100, so you write the contraption here. Now let us mark the point. First one is for 120, it is 12. So you come to that 120, 120, 12 means it is 10, 11, 12. 12 it comes here. So you take 12 here. Then next 140, 26. 140 is here. 26, this is 25. Then you take 26 means 1 more here. Here is 26. Then 180, 160, 34. 160 is here. 34 means 31, 32, 33, 34. So you take 34. Then 180. 180 is 40. So you take, this is 40. 180 is 40. 200 is 50. So it comes here. Then you join them. So you draw this is a less than type ogive. So you write that less than type ogive. Next let us take the next question. What is that question? Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 5, 2, 4, 7, 7 minus 4. Here you know that this is a question from the chapter coordinate geometry, and here we have to use the formula to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. So you write First you write the coordinates of the vertices are 5, 2, 4, 7, 7, minus 4. So consider these are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now you write the formula. So what is that formula? Area of a triangle equals 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That equals 1 by 2. x1 is this one. So you write 5. And y2 is this one, that is 7, minus y3 is minus 4, right, minus 4, like this way, plus you write, plus x2 is there. What is that x2? x2 is 4 into y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 2, plus x3 is 7, y1 is 2, minus y2 is 7. Then you write 1 by 2 into 5 into 7, minus of minus, that becomes plus 4, plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 becomes minus 6, plus 7 into 2 minus 7 is minus 5. You must know the addition and subtraction together with the sign. Then it is equals to 1 by 2, 5 into 7 plus 4, that is 11. 5 into 11, and 4 into minus 6. 4 6 are 24, that is minus 24, and 7 5 are 35, so it is minus 35. Then you write 1 by 2 into 5 into 11. 5 into 11 is 55, and take the sum of these two. 5 plus 4. Here, as they are having same sign, we have to add them and put the negative sign only. 5 plus 4 is 9. It becomes 59. So that equals 1 by 2 into, here it is 55 minus 59. So here greater is 59. Subtract 55 by 59. 59 minus 55 is 4. That is negative 4. That you will get 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2, means 2 units. Here units are, that is area is always positive, so you consider it is 2 units. That is the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Now come to the question number 16. What is that question? Construct a triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 5 corresponding sides of a triangle. Children, this construction is also done in the construction chapter. You go through the video lesson of the construction and try to do the construction. But here let us discuss the method roughly. Here what you have to do? We must construct the triangle of given measurement. You know the method of constructing the triangle by using the scale and compass here. In the first step, you take any one measurement as a base. You can take the biggest side as a base. So here you take 6 cm base or 4 cm base or 5 cm, whatever it may be. So let us draw a line of 6 cm. You must draw this line by taking this help of the scale only. Measure 6 centimeter line. And next you take the compass and you name it. Any name you can give here. So let us give, this is BC. And take the compass and measure 4 centimeter. And with a radius of 4 centimeter, that is with the center B. With the center B, draw a curve of radius 4 centimeter. After that, you measure 5 centimeter and with C as a center, cut the previous curve. So here you will get a triangle. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. After that, you must construct the triangle similar to it. And the sides are in the ratio 3 by 5 of the original triangle. Here what you have to do? Here you must construct the acute angle. Here you construct acute angle. And see the ratio 3 by 5 is there, 5 is greater. So you make the 5 equal arcs, 5 segments here. That must be of equal radius here. And 3 by 5 is there. So here in the numerator 3 is there. Then in the denominator 5 is there. Then this is first one, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So as there is 5 in the denominator, join the fifth part to the C. After that, here draw the line parallel at a point B3. You come to this 3 and draw the line parallel. You know the method of drawing. Here you draw a arc. Here also you draw a arc with the same measurement of the radius and find the distance here. This distance, that is by the compass only. Again with the same distance you cut here and you will get a parallel line. At the same time again here you draw the curve in this point, the same radius also. Then measure the distance here and again cut it. Measure distance means you must use the compass only here. Then you join here. So these two are parallel and know that this is A dash. This is the required triangle. This is roughly discussed, but follow the actual construction steps and learn the construction perfectly. You take the 17th question. 2x plus y equals 6 and x plus y equals 4. 2x plus y equals 6, x plus y equals 4. So you take the equations here. 2x plus y equals 6. Then you express this as y equals 6 minus 2x. Express this equation in terms of y. Now you take the convenient value for x and get the corresponding value for y. So you write when x equals, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here let us take 1. Then y equals 6 minus 6 you have taken here, minus you write here, then 2 you write, x value put, 2 into x means 2 into 1, that equals 6 you write 6 only, 6 minus 2 into 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. Then take x equals 2. When x equals 2, then y equals 6 minus 2 into 2, that is 6 minus 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then when x equals 3, then y equals 6 minus 2 into 3. In the place of x you put 3, then it becomes 6 minus 6, which is equals to 0. Now you have a column here. And you write x, y value. X values are 1, 2, 3. So you write 1, 2, 3, and corresponding values of y are 4 to 0. 4 to 0. Here 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 0. 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 0. Then you take the next equation. What is that? X plus y equals 4. Take second equation. X plus y equals 4. Again you express this in terms of y. Y is equals to 4 minus x. Here also you take the convenient values for x and get the corresponding value for y. Then you write when x equals 1, then y equals. Then y equals 4 minus 1 we have to take. In the place of x you write 4 minus 1. In the place of x you write 1. So it becomes 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. Then you take when x equals 2. Then y equals 4 minus what? 2. In the place of x you write 2. So it becomes 4 minus 2, 2. Then you take x equals 3. Y equals what? 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1. Again you have a column. Then you write x, y. So values of x are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Corresponding values of y are 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. When x is 1, y is 3. Here you have taken 1, 3. When x is 2, y is 2. Here you have taken 2, 2. And 3, 1 you have taken. So you got the 2 columns here. Now let us come to the graph. Here the maximum on x-axis is 3 in both the cases, and here 4 and here 3. So you can take 1 centimeter equals 1 unit enough. The scale you take first. Scale equals 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. Then you take, this is origin, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you know that these are negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, enough. And on the above the x-axis, you know that they are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And below the x-axis they are negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Then, so you take 1, 4. 1 is here. Straightly you go. This is 1, 4. Then 2, 2. 2, 2 comes here. This is 2, 2. Next 3, 0. 3, 0 comes here. X 3, y 0. So you can join these 3 points to get a straight line. You got a straight line which passes through this point and this is a graph of 2x plus y equals 6. Then next let us take the second column. 1 3 is there. 1 3, 1 is here, 3 means it comes here. This is 1 3. Next 2 2. 2 2 comes same here. This is 2 2. Next 3 1. 3 1 comes here. So you take this is 3 1. So the 3 points are these 3. So you join them to get a straight line. And here you can observe this is a graph of x plus y equals 4. Both the line intersect at a point 2 2. So here values of x and y, you got that 2 2. Solution you write. Solution x equals 2, y equals 2. This way you can solve the given pair of linear equation graphically. Next question you take. What is that question? State and prove Pythagoras theorem. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. Children, this theorem is also proved in the chapter triangle. Go through the video lesson and learn the statement and proof of the Pythagoras theorem. If it is possible, link will be given in the description box.